In this video, we'll give you a quick overview of Design Space, the free design app that comes with every Cricut machine. The main workspace in Design Space is called the Canvas. On the Canvas, you have access to features that let you edit projects, create new ones, have fun with type, and so much more. You can use Design Space on a laptop, tablet, or phone when you're connected to the internet and even when you're offline. Before you get started making, make sure to activate your machine. You'll be prompted to download the Design Space app and sign in using an existing Cricut ID, or if you're new to Cricut, you'll create a new one. Always make sure you've selected the machine you're using from this drop-down menu. That way, you'll be sure to get the projects and features that are compatible with your machine. You can browse for projects here. Ready-to-make projects allow you to either make as is or customize to your liking. Either way, Design Space will always tell you what to do next. To design from scratch, browse images, fonts, and shapes. Search using keywords. Filters might come in handy too if you're looking for something specific. And there's even an option to upload your own artwork. As you create projects, be sure to regularly save your work and give it a memorable title. Every time you sign into Design Space, you'll always find something fresh and new, not just from Cricut, but also from members of the Cricut community just like you. The best way to learn is to just get in there and have fun.